Today we'll talk about how can you sell on your Wallapop app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on sale down here. When you click here on sale, it's going to take you to this list. Add here title here. So I'm going to add this title for example here. So then you click here on continue. Then here can you select category here. So I'm going to click here to this computer box. You click here on select here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Add here photo. So just click on it here. Then you click here on videos in the app. Then you go to your device picture and select it for your item. So then add here title in description, and here item measurement here, then category, and here item condition, hashtags, price, and your currency here. Then you click on continue, then it's going to publish with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.